Mouth ulcers can be a real pain, literally. They can pop out of nowhere, making everyday activities like eating and talking super uncomfortable. If you are dealing with the mouth ulcers, you know that how frustrating they can be. From the discomfort to the difficulty in enjoying your favorite food, mouth ulcers can really put a damper on your daily life. They can also make speaking a challenge, which can be especially tough if your job or daily activities require you to talk a lot. And let's not forget the pain. Sometimes even eating or drinking sometimes hot can feel like a torture. There are many natural homeopathic remedies that can help alleviate the symptoms of mouth ulcers. One of the most popular ones is aloe vera gel. Aloe vera has inflammatory properties that can help reduce swelling and pain. Applying aloe vera gel directly to the ulcer can provide the quick relief. Another remedy is the baking soda. Baking soda can help neutralize the acid in your mouth and reduce the discomfort. You can mix baking soda with water to create a paste and apply it to the ulcer. Thuja or Thuja is a homeopathic remedy that's often used to treat mouth ulcers. It's said to have antiseptic properties that can help fight off infections, and there's the use of calendula mouthwash, which can help soothe and calm the ulcer. I have a friend who struggled with recurring mouth ulcers, and she found relief using Thuja. She was skeptical at first, but after using it for a few days, she noticed a significant reduction in pain and swelling. Within a week, her ulcer had almost completely healed. She was thrilled with the result and has been using Thuja ever since. Another friend swears by applying a mixture of equal parts hydrogen peroxide and water directly to the ulcer. She says it helped reduce the pain and promotes healing. There's also a case study of a patient who used the combination of aloe vera and the calendula to treat her mouth ulcer. The result was impressive, with her ulcer healing within few days. The main homeopathic remedies we have discussed today are aloe vera gel and baking soda and Thuja. Calendula mouthwash too. These natural solutions can be effective in providing relief from mouth ulcers. They offer a range of benefits from reducing pain and swelling to promoting healing. If you had any experience with mouth ulcers or homeopathic remedies, I had loved to hear about them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out our video on natural remedies for the digestive issues. You might find some tips there too. Thank you.